आई एम गोना बिल्ड एन एंटायर ई-कॉम बिजनेस लाइव फ्रॉम स्क्रैच एंड आपके सामने मैं इसको 1 करोड़ तक ले जाऊंगा। ऐसा कोई प्रोडक्ट हो मैं तो खरीदूंगा। मतलब फाउंडेशंस कैसे बनाना, चैरिटी का क्या सीन है। एंड आई वुड डू अ बूट कैंप जहां फॉर ऑल 4 levels, जहां यू अप लेवल विद अस इन 4 months. Get more interviews is a world-class offer. It always works. You get that Steve Jobs AI agent that will train you live anytime you want. See, one of the things with working professionals is they don't want more. जहाँ पे आप हर जगह से strong हो, like legal standpoint से, ताकि your money is not fucked up. How to build a personal brand in the office culture so you beat office politics. So I'll make this as an offer. I would charge 40 to 50K for this. How do you beat Nifty returns? How do you get like 20-30% returns a year? If I were to build offers for everybody, I would do it like... If I were to build offers for everybody, I would do it like... so let's start from you, right, Aswad? So I would do something like... क्योंकि आपका AI CFO है, I will teach them like how mutual fund trading works. That's what you teach, right? या आप क्या personal finance सिखा रहे हो?
I mean, basically, he is soccer.
Mastering finance everywhere. So I would create a custom finance plan for everybody, individually, one-on-one. एक चीज वो मैं ऐड करता. Second thing I would add is उस plan को execution में लाना, उसको implement करके हर महीने में 2 बार analysis और double checkup करना. तो I would call it as a doctor health checkup, just like the finance health checkup or something like that. I would have done 3 boot camps. जहाँ एक boot camp में you master personal finance, एक boot camp में you master the world of taxes and the world of appreciation, depreciation, जो भी how to buy your first car, how to buy your first house, home loan calculators, वो सब loans, उन सब चीजों पे एक पे मैं करता कि how do you invest and compound your money, how do you beat Nifty returns and all these things, and basically how do you get like 20-30% returns a year. You can't claim that, but I would position it like that. So 3 boot camps, personalize आपका पूरा finance का plan बनाना so you retire early. I would call it as a retire early thing. That's what your audience wants. Then I would do finance health checkups twice a month. Then I would also give them their own personal AI CFO, which they can track and everything. And I'll also give a software where they can manage their everyday day-to-day expenses and income and everything. ठीक है. बोनसेस में मैं ये दे देता. I would just say कि you need to hire a CA. Don't hire a CA. Use my CA as one reference point कि consulting call कर लिया आपने. I would do another one जहाँ पे आप हर जगह से strong हो, like legal standpoint से, ताकि your money is not fucked up. एक मैं ये भी master class लेता कि how to do offshore accounts, like tax को घुमाना कैसे legal way में. हाँ वो रख सकते हो, बट उसका एक इंट्रोडक्टरी क्लास आई वुड डू ऑन द फ्रंट कि तुमको मास्टर टैक्सेस, लाइक ऐसा कोई प्रोडक्ट हो मैं तो खरीदूंगा. मतलब फाउंडेशंस कैसे बनाना, चैरिटी का क्या सीन है, ऑफशोर अकाउंट्स, इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में आई गो डेप्थ, राइट. तो वो एक माइंड ब्लो का क्लास हो जाएगा टू बैक एंड, राइट. सो आई वुड डू दिस एज एन ऑफर एंड आई वुड चार्ज 35 to 40,000 bucks and this will crush it, absolutely destroy it. Okay, for you I would create levels and stages of AI like beginner, intermediate, advanced, mastery. ऐसा मैं नाम अच्छा देता, but this is just for your idea and reference. And I would do a boot camp जहाँ for all 4 levels जहाँ you up level with us in 4 months. So month 1 you come attend the boot camp number 1 and you become a good beginner to, like you go from 0 to 1. Bootcamp number 2 में you go from 1 to 3. Bootcamp number 3 में you go 3 to 6. Bootcamp number mastery में you go 4 to God level. So after 4 weeks you will be extremely productive. You will be a master of AI. You will be an AI generalist. You will be ready that companies will pay you lakhs and lakhs of rupees to hire you for AI ताकि they can get their stuff and tasks done. जैसे एक बूट कैम्प में सिर्फ एजेंटिक एआई पे रखता है, एक बूट कैम्प में जेन एआई पे रखता है, एक बूट कैम्प में वाइब कोडिंग, वाइब मार्केटिंग उस पे रखता, और एक बूट कैम्प में एडवांस पे रखता, वॉइस, ऑल दोस थिंग्स, लाइक समथिंग लाइक दैट. मैप इट आउट लाइक बिगिनर, इंटरमीडिएट, एडवांस, मास्टरी. ठीक है. सो आई वुड डू 4 बूट कैम्प्स लाइक दैट. आई वुड ऑल्सो डू हर बूट कैम्प के बाद विल हैव 2 Q&A कॉल्स जहाँ पे वी आर डूइंग लाइव like Q&A, कुछ भी हो गया, कहीं stuck हो and all these things. I would do done with you tech setup कि आप एक कॉल पे आओगे जहाँ सिर्फ आपके टेक सेटअप हम साथ में करेंगे, API, NA10 setup and all these jazz, right? Very, very great seller. Then I would do something like a hackathon for AI agents, right? जहाँ पे जो भी बेस्ट AI agent क्रिएट करेगा उसको प्राइजेस, गिफ्ट्स, सॉफ्टवेयर सब्सक्रिप्शंस फॉर फ्री मिलेगा. I would do mania giveaway kind of a setup. एंड आई वुड डू लाइव प्रैक्टिकल बिल्डाथॉन्स. मतलब हम साथ में एक प्रोजेक्ट को चूज करेंगे, लेट्स से फाइनेंस, तो विल बिल्ड वर्ल्ड क्लास फाइनेंस AI एजेंट्स, देन विल मूव टू दिस, देन ऐसे मैं 8 या 9 प्रोजेक्ट्स कराता 4 महीने में. सो 4 महीने में 8 प्रोजेक्ट्स इज 2 प्रोजेक्ट्स अ मंथ plus 2 coaching calls plus 1 mastery bootcamp. You can sell this for $50,000 easily. A winner offer. This was the offer that we had. हाँ, this is the offer. So 11 agents हम live practical बनवाते ताकि they can become master of it. Like custom agent, business analyst, LinkedIn content, stock, crypto forex agent, voice calling, LinkedIn lead hiring, vibe coding, digital employee, custom ChatGPT clone, WhatsApp and VO shots. तो ये सब हम लाइव बनवाते हैं और बेसिकली वी हैव कोर्सेस फॉर ऑल दीज that they can see, build and build-a-thons वगैरह में cash giveaway prizes and all. This will be a world-class offer for you. ठीक है. Now for you, I would do something like step again. I would do same like a beginner, intermediate, advanced, mastery, right? So and I would name it as like a 1 crore launch lab और ऐसा कुछ. राइट, जहां पे अब 0 से 1 करोड़ ई-कॉम जर्नी यू प्लान विद अस टुगेदर. राइट, जहां सबसे पहले हम आपका फाउंडेशंस बेस सेटअप, AI से शॉपिफाई साइट कैसे बनाना, AI से सारा टेक काम कैसे निपटाना, तो पहला आपका पेज बन जाएगा. सेकेंड, हम AI से एड्स बनाएंगे, AI से वीडियो एड्स बनाएंगे, कंपटीशन रिसर्च विद AI, सब कुछ AI से बनेगा, हैंड्स ऑन विदाउट योर इन्वॉल्वमेंट. देन आई वुड डू अनदर वन जहाँ पे यू लर्न हाउ टू रन सिंपल एड्स फॉर 100, 200, 300 रुपीज अ डे एंड स्टार्ट गेटिंग लाइक गेट योर फर्स्ट सेल. Right? And I would do something like, guys, in front of you, I'm going to build an entire e-com business live from scratch. And आपके सामने मैं इसको 1 करोड़ तक ले जाऊंगा. That entire challenge I would make a part of your offer. Amani is saying कितना exciting है ये. Right? Like we will build an entire e-commerce from scratch. आपके सामने मैं बनाऊंगा, आपके सामने मैं प्रोडक्ट सिलेक्शन करूंगा, आपके सामने मैं सब कुछ चूज करूंगा एंड आपके सामने एड्स बनाऊंगा, आपके सामने लॉन्च करूंगा, आपके सामने स्केल करूंगा एंड आपके सामने आई विल टेक इट टू 1 करोड़ इन 2 months और 3 months और व्हाटएवर जितना भी जर्नी है आपका. सो दैट लाइव विटनेस, Q&A every week, this like beginner, intermediate, mastery. तो ये 3 boot camps for 3 different skill sets and done for you lot of elements like जो AI agent से back से automate हो जाएगा. So I'll make this as an offer. I would charge 40 to 50K for this. आपके लिए I would do something like you get that Steve Jobs AI agent that will train you live anytime you want. I would add 5 more celebrities like that. I would add 2 boot camps where we sit and practically master everything. I would add an communication reviewer agent जो आप जिसके साथ बात कर सकते हो that वो आपको सब कुछ फीडबैक और रिव्यू देगा. And I would do one offline retreat जहाँ पे we meet all offline together, all suited up, booted up, and I'd call this as a club, right, rather than a course. I would call this as like a club जहाँ we are all coming, hanging out together, we are learning advanced stuff, new stuff about everything. I would do something like that. One thing that is a hit is a public speaking workshop. वो ऑफलाइन होना चाहिए जहाँ you bring them on a stage and you distribute teams and वो आके वहाँ participate करके करेंगे, right? And one of the elements that you decide if you want to add or not is how to become a communication coach. एक छोटा सा, मेरे next level मत सोचो ना यार, क्यों आपको layers बनाने हैं? मतलब I would add a hint of that or a small angle of that, if not go depth in mastery. Plus वही calls with you and all the Monday morning calls, everything. That's an epic offer for you. वो आराम से बिकेगा 99,000 में. Keep selling it. For you, I would create 8 systems a school wants. Marketing systems, sales systems, hiring systems, leadership system, curriculum system, everything. And for you, I would do a webinar, 4-hour webinar to a one-on-one call where I would custom pitch the offer for everybody. क्योंकि कोई इंसान आपको 10 लाख दे देगा, कोई आपको सिर्फ 2 देगा. एंड इट डिपेंड्स कि आप उनके लिए क्या क्या करने वाले हो, किस अमाउंट ऑफ एफर्ट डालने वाले हो. इट्स नॉट गोना बी कोर्स और अ कोचिंग प्रोग्राम दैट दीज गाइज वोंट अटेंड. आई वुड डू दोस वन-ऑन-वन कॉल्स, वेबिनार से सीधा वन-ऑन-वन कॉल्स and I'd close them there. I would do these like system wise, and jisko jo chahiye, I would install that in their business as a consulting wise. I would do that. Okay, perfect. For you, bro, I would do. See, one of the things with working professionals is they don't want more, they want less, but they want output, right? So I would do magnetic communication ka ek boot camp where we sit and practice everything together. You unmute people, you have them communicate, you fix them right then and there, hot seats and all these things. One would be magnetic communication, one would be objection handling and salary negotiations. Okay? Another one would be how to build a personal brand, not the ones where you get more followers or whatever, but how to build a personal brand in the office culture so you beat office politics. Personal brand sounds more lucrative than office politics. See, always remember, right? I also made a post in the MDM group, if you guys read, current consequences versus future consequences. So always current consequences are always more crazier and higher converting than future consequences, right? So I would do something like that, like how to build a personal brand for yourself and stand up for yourself and like all those things, right? So I would do these three elements. Then I would add one AI agent for like negotiations, salary, mock interviews, right? वो कैसे interviews crack करना, and see if you have the skill of getting new interviews. Get more interviews is a world class offer. It always works. ठीक है? अगर आपने ये pillar add कर दिया, how to get more interviews booked, how to get more interviews cracked, that is a winning offer in itself. This is the person, Vanessa Van Edwards. She has a thing called Science of People. इसकी एक बुक है, बाय दैट, इट्स इन Amazon, वंडरफुल बुक. उसका कंटेंट का पार्ट उठाओ, लाइक 1 2 3, रीड द एंटायर बुक फर्स्ट. कम्युनिकेशन क्यूज, वंडरफुल बुक. ठीक है, उसका टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट देखो, यू विल सी ये एम्पलीफाइड इनटू 100x. एग्जैक्टली, लाइक राइट, लिसन, बॉडी, सेइंग, रीड अ ह्यूमन लाइक अ प्रो, राइट? Read what they're about to say, right? Understand that, become like, learn the science of people, learn body language, learn. This offer, bro, is very unique. कोई भी नहीं कर रहा है, सब इस salary में लगे हुए हैं. You get into this, and like another person to read in this is that Robert Greene. Study Robert Greene, the laws of power, you know, उसके around build करो, bro. It's really powerful. कोई भी उस around नहीं कर रहा है. Like Laws of Power is one of the most best-selling books of all time. मतलब इतनी डिमांड है उसके अराउंड. कोई कम्युनिकेशन कोचिंग प्रोग्राम जहाँ somebody can really help you live that, right? That is missing. 49 laws of communication, mind control, like body language secrets and all these things at 49 rupees. Wonderful 3-day. And your offer should also be 49,000. Everybody's offer is sorted, guys.